Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Ford steering wheel. First, locate the adjustment lever, usually found beneath the steering column. Pull this lever down to unlock the steering wheel's position. Now, you can freely move the steering wheel up, down, in, or out to find your ideal driving position. This initial step is crucial for setting up your basic comfort. Once unlocked, you can adjust the steering wheel's tilt. Simply move the wheel up or down until it's at a comfortable height for you. Make sure your view of the instrument cluster remains clear and unobstructed. Proper tilt adjustment helps maintain good posture, reducing strain on your shoulders and arms during longer drives, enhancing overall comfort. Next, let's consider the telescopic adjustment. You can pull the steering wheel towards you or push it away to achieve the perfect reach. A good rule of thumb is that your wrists should comfortably rest on the top of the steering wheel when your arms are extended. This ensures a safe distance from the airbag and optimal control. After finding your perfect position, it's essential to lock the steering wheel securely. Push the adjustment lever firmly back up until it clicks into place. Give the steering wheel a gentle tug to ensure it's completely locked and won't move while driving. This final check guarantees your safety and comfort on the road. Enjoy your drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.